2018 Ford Ecosport, release date at Musi, Ford serving Boston, Cambridge, Newton and Needham with the subcompact SUV segment catching fire in the United States. Ford has officially decided to throw its hat into the ring with the new EcoSport. The team here at Musi, Ford in Needham, Massachusetts is excited for the upcoming 2018 Ford EcoSport release date. The segment's rise in popularity has come with a massive influx of new vehicle options, including the Jeep Renegade, Chevy Trax, Mazda CX-3 and Buick Encore, which are finding quite a few spots in local M8 garages in 2016. The Ford EcoSport will start vying for some of that real estate in early 2018. The EcoSport is not a new vehicle in Ford lineup. In fact, it was originally built in Brazil in 2003 and has actually been the #1 selling subcompact outside the US. The vehicle has significant popularity in India, Japan and across Europe. What makes the new 2018 Ford EcoSport tick? The EcoSport will come in two engine options: the award-winning 1.0 L3 cylinder FWD that will produce between 99 and 123 horsepower, and the 2.0 L4 WD 4-cylinder that produces 143 horsepower and 137 lb-ft of torque. Both options will be paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The technology in the 2018 EcoSport will be top of the line, featuring a large 8-inch floating touchscreen display, which will be the largest in the segment. The new Ford SUV will also come with an optional Bang & Olufsen premium audio system, which produces 675 watts of amplification across a 10-speaker system. Powering the infotainment system is Ford's Sync 3 software, with voice recognition and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. What the Ford EcoSport lacks in size, it certainly makes up for in character. We expect to see in the new EcoSport on the ground at Musi and other MA Ford dealerships in early 2018. Production is expected to start in 2017. As soon as we get the official information on the 2018 Ford EcoSport release date, we will pass it along here and on the Musi Ford blog page. Read source at description below.